What if the biggest mistake keeping you from financial independence isn't how much money you spend, but how you partition your income the exact day it hits your account? Most people live in a state of perpetual financial chaos, balancing their checkbooks on emotion and guessing how much they can afford to spend on groceries, rent, or a weekend out with friends. They receive their hard-earned paycheck, pay the immediate bills that are staring them in the face, and then promise themselves that they will invest whatever money is left over at the end of the month. But as the days pass by, the money mysteriously vanishes into small, thoughtless purchases, leaving them with absolutely nothing to put toward their future. They spend years caught in this frustrating cycle of living paycheck to paycheck, feeling like they are running on a financial treadmill that never actually moves forward. But the architecture of wealth creation does not require you to live a life of extreme deprivation or track every single penny like an accountant. The truth is that the most successful self-made millionaires rely on a simple, automated framework that creates a perfect balance between enjoying the present and securing the future. This system is known globally as the 50-30-20 rule, and it possesses the unique superpower to completely eliminate financial anxiety in less than 30 seconds. Most people never realize this until it is far too late, and they spend their best years chasing the wrong strategies. But the reality of managing your money is much simpler, and we will reveal exactly how the first and largest portion works in just a moment. The single greatest mistake beginner investors make is treating their savings as an afterthought instead of a primary obligation. When you do not have a clear blueprint for your salary, every financial decision becomes a source of stress and internal debate. You feel guilty when you buy something nice for yourself, and you feel anxious when you look at your empty investment account. To break this cycle, you must implement a structural division of your income based on 3 distinct categories. The first and most important category consumes exactly 50% of your net income, and it is dedicated entirely to your absolute needs. These are the non-negotiable expenses that you must pay to survive and keep your life running smoothly, such as your rent or mortgage payments, basic groceries, essential utilities like electricity and water, minimum debt payments, and basic insurance. This 50% boundary acts as a strict financial mirror, showing you the raw truth about your current lifestyle. If your basic survival costs consume more than half of your paycheck, it means you are officially living beyond your means, and no amount of budgeting tricks will save you until you downsize your fixed costs or scale your active income. If you enjoy practical wealth building lessons like this, consider subscribing to Michael Invests for more videos about taking control of your financial destiny. As we move deeper into this structural framework, we discover a hidden trap that causes 90% of traditional budgets to fail within the very first month. Most budgeting systems are far too restrictive, forcing people to completely eliminate all forms of fun, entertainment, and personal pleasure. This creates a state of psychological fatigue that inevitably leads to a massive bout of impulse shopping, destroying all their progress in a single afternoon. This is precisely why the 50-30-20 rule dedicates an entire 30% of your paycheck to your wants. This category is your financial guilt-free zone, encompassing everything that is not essential for survival but makes life enjoyable, such as dining out at restaurants, going to the movies, purchasing fashion items, traveling on vacation, or maintaining your favorite digital subscriptions. By locking this category at exactly 30%, you are giving yourself permission to spend money on the things you love without harming your financial future. You no longer have to feel guilty about buying a premium coffee or meeting friends for dinner because that money has already been mathematically approved by your system. However, there is one final, critical category that completely separates those who remain stuck from those who build permanent wealth, and we need to examine that portion before we talk about how to automate the entire process. The remaining 20% of your paycheck is the ultimate engine of your financial freedom, and it must be allocated strictly to savings, aggressive debt repayment, and long-term investments. This is the portion of your income that you are using to buy back your time and build a permanent army of dollar soldiers that work for you while you sleep. When your paycheck arrives, this 20% must be moved out of your checking account immediately before you pay for your needs and long-term wants. This is the foundational principle of paying yourself first. If you are currently carrying high-interest debt, like credit card balances, this 20% is weaponized to crush those liabilities as fast as possible. Once you are debt-free, this capital is funneled directly into building a robust emergency fund containing 3 to 6 months of expenses, and then immediately directed into low-risk, diversified vehicles like index funds that automatically bet on the growth of the global economy. By consistently investing 1/5 of everything you earn, you are ensuring that your net worth rises steadily every single month, regardless of what is happening in the world around you. Before we talk about how to automate this entire system so it runs completely on autopilot, you must understand a fundamental law of human behavior. If money remains easily accessible in your main account, your brain will always find a way to spend it. To prevent this, you need to completely remove human discipline from the equation and let technology do the heavy lifting for you. Most modern banking platforms allow you to create automated recurring transfers that trigger the exact day your salary is deposited. You can configure your system to instantly send 20% into your investment account and 50% into a separate account dedicated solely to fixed bills, leaving the remaining 30% in your primary spending card for your wants. By automating these boundaries, you take all the emotion out of money management. You learn to live comfortably within your designated percentages, and your wealth accumulates quietly in the background without requiring your daily energy or mental focus. The path to true financial peace is open to absolutely anyone willing to transition from a chaotic consumer to a structured investor on Michael Invests. If you want to understand how to optimize this 20% investment bucket and discover the exact low-risk vehicles that will accelerate your compounding returns even faster, click the video appearing on your screen right now. It will show you the exact next milestone in your wealth building journey.